So this is a new kitten. His mom was a feral, but he's really, really friendly. I think he had a lot of contact with humans outside. The other kittens that are out there are not. I have 4 little ones eating at the little plate, but this one, he's pretty good. I did get bit. He bit me. So I'm trying to be careful, let him have a little bit of adjustment. And he's been to the vet, and he's good. He's looking good. And he is so, so cute. Look at that little face. Look at that sweet little face. Yeah, hi, cutie pie. Yeah. So we don't know if the little ones outside, if they're siblings. You know, he could be an older sibling, or, you know, which is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking he's an older sibling, because the ones outside are maybe 8 weeks old, and he's much older than that. But he's a good baby. Yep, he is a good baby. Oh, he's getting feisty with the cats. He loves the cats. Now, I had kept him in the office for a little bit, and then now he's out and seeing the cats. Oh, he's... What are you doing? Huh? I think he's being territorial about his little basket. He's feeling safe in that basket. Yeah. Little sweet face though. And of course I'm filming right now, and when I don't want a million cats around, they're all around. When I want them, they're gone. They're nowhere to be found. So this one, see, he looks like he's related to Rosie. Rosie was from the ferals colony that was out behind my house. So I am thinking they're definitely related. They are maybe cousins. Definitely cousins. Because we're a very small town, and I'm pretty sure all the cats here are inbred. Because there's open desert all around our little tiny town. So if there's a cat and it's feral, it's gonna meet another cat that's feral, and they're all gonna be related to each other. But yeah, he's settling in pretty good. We haven't decided really on a name, or on, you know, whether he's going to be, you know, another home found for him. Come on, you guys. But he's a cutie pie. And it's a little helpful to have a sweet baby after, you know, losing Mr. Chubbs. And of course, you know, I lost Nebby this year too. She was almost 20. She was literally 1 month from being 21 years old. So while I miss her awfully, she went, it was her time to go. And that's why we have new babies sometimes, you know, so that we can help other little lives. So, you guys need to let me know what you think his little name should be. There went Azrael. Azrael, what are you doing? Razzie and Skittles. Goodness, guys. They're being so silly. So, say hello to this little boy Tabby, who's, I don't know, maybe heading towards 5 months old? Yeah, and he's very, very happy to be in a house, I think. Oh, goodness, he just attacked Azrael down. What are you doing? All right. We're gonna get one last shot of him if we can. There you go, little boy. And tell me in the comments what you think his name should be. What should we call him? All right, bye-bye.
Thanks for hanging out with us today. Don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification button so you don't miss a single minute of Life with Cats.